Hi, I'm Rich from gunBlocker, and today I want to show you our newest innovative internal AR15 lock, one of the many family of internal locks that we have patented at gunBlocker. The lock that we're talking about for AR is this right here, the red one. You'll notice that it has a black button on the bottom, and when you push that, a stainless steel rod comes through the top. That all is very important in the fact that you won't be able to take this gun apart, and it secures it at all times. Let me show you how this works. When you take your AR-15, after checking to make sure that it is completely empty, you pull the charging rod back and you insert the blocker just like you would insert a standard AR magazine. Once you do that, you press the black button and the rod goes right into the indentation of the bolt. Slide the charging rod back in place. You can close it, the top if you want. It is now completely secure. As you can tell, the only thing visible is the front plate. It works off of a key, but the key is a very special key. The key we have for this is a Class A security key, which means it's virtually pick-proof. How easy is this to get off if you need it? No problem, we're just going to reverse the process. Insert the key into the lock, turn it, pull back the charger, hit the release, the magazine comes out, your AR is back in business. All keeping it secure and safe from any third party that really shouldn't have their hands on this. gunBlocker. It's patented, it's the best, and it's exactly what you need for the safety of your family, your community, and our Second Amendment rights.